Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can wrap text, extra long text into multiple lines so you can see all of it in the Microsoft Excel. Okay, as you can see, this example that I have extra long text and I can see all of it in one cell. Okay, for example, this is the extra long text, and I'm going to make like this. So just click on it and just select wrap text. Just click on it, and you can see the sentence is in cells like this. So uh, you can see all of it in one cell. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for